definitely not ready for this.
Good morning. We're doing fifth wheel hitches with Hillbilly Chris, our hitch guy here at Terrytown RV and Grand Rapids RV. What do you got for us this morning, Chris?
We're doing fifth wheel hitch demo. Most important thing is always your tailgate. You always make sure your tailgate is down before you hitch up and before you unhitch. Okay? Oh, obviously we got ours down now.
All right, this one has auto level, so he's gonna walk through the LCI hand control.
Let's back up here a second.
He's gonna back this up. Get it lined up just right.
One thing you want to remember is you want your fifth wheel pin box to meet your fifth wheel right here, so that way it pushes down on the fed, on the fifth wheel. So that way it reassures you that the jaws are going to hitch around, lock around the hitch properly.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to back in all the way. You're going to hear the click, and once you hear the click,
Should be able to hear this click soon. There you go, locked in.
You can give it a tug forward to reassure you that the jaw's locked.
I drive forward, make sure that jaw's locked good and secure.
Okay. Then grab our emergency trailer brake cable here. It's going to be one of the first things you want to do and one of the last things you want to do before you unhitch and hitch up. Okay, just make a loop around itself here. Pulling her tight there to lock itself in. Alright, so we're going to come back here, shut our tailgate, make sure our 7-way's all already plugged in. Come back here to our lovely jacks here. We want to make sure we want to hit retract so we can retract the front jacks and put all the weight back on the truck.
Got any one-liners for us this morning?
No, I don't.
Oh, come on, Chris.
I didn't eat my Fruity Pebbles yet.
You got those? You eat your Wheaties today?
No, sir.
No Wheaties? No Fruity Pebbles? What'd you have for breakfast?
A whole lot of nothing. Donut and coffee, that's what it takes. Breakfast of champions.
We got this auto level, the front leveling jacks going up good.
You alright?
Just doing everything from the one-touch Lippert LCI control pad.
Alright, now we can show you how to unhitch.
Alright, let's unhitch this thing.
First things first, turn our pads on. Front jack's raising it up. One side will come down and the other side will come down. It equalizes its pressure. Alright, both sides are touching.
What was
So
that?
what we're going to look for now.
Say it again.
What we're going to look for now is we're going to actually pick this up until we get a gap in between the fifth wheel and the pin box itself. Then once you see that gap, you're going to want to stop. Okay, and then once you stop, you're going to let it back down on the truck. So that way you can put just a little bit of pressure down on the truck so you can disengage properly without having any difficulty of unlatching your fifth wheel.
Yeah, I'll video it while you do it. A little bit of low voltage running off a dead battery. Back of the truck's raising up just a little bit here, getting the weight off. You see it just turned just slightly right there. Good, it came up. There you go.
So just pop our tailgate here, one of the most important things, like I said earlier. Take our 7-way cord, tuck it up inside so that way it don't dangle on the dirt and the mud. Okay. Pop our safety pin here, and emergency trailer brake cable. Sew that off to the back. All right. Take our handle, pull her up nice and straight, and give her a little turn so it stays open. So now we can disengage from the truck.
All right, the jaw is open, so now we can pull the truck ahead. Everything is clear, tailgate's down. We have no issues on this. Perfectly done, unhooked, looking good, ready to go. All right, Chris, we appreciate it. What do you got for us?
Don't spend all your money in one spot.